morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today with another Quiltopia update. And I'm here with Colleen from Cobar Quilt Shop. How are you?
Well, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
That's good, thank you. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to get all the updates for Quiltopia. And we've got lots of other videos that we're putting up, so don't forget to watch the ones at the end of the video. Now, Colleen, we're here today because you're going to be joining us at Quiltopia.
We are, yes. Yeah,
and
very
whereabouts
excited.
are you from?
From Cobar Quilt Shop.
Yes, and where is that?
In Cobar.
In Cobar. That's a trick question, people.
That's it.
Okay. And how long and what do you do there? What's your shop about?
We've been open for 12 years.
Yes.
And it's all to do with patchwork.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, everything patchwork and quilting.
Yes.
Absolutely love it. It's passion.
It is a passion. That's that's why we do this for you guys. It's a passion, yes.
Yeah. And we love the travelling.
Yes, because you travel around and everything as well.
We travel quite a bit.
So you're going to be at Quiltopia. Now you're going to be in the marketplace. So don't forget Quiltopia. We've got tutors coming so that you can actually go and learn and everything in long classes. We've got all the machines and long arms and sponsors out the front. But right behind, we've got the marketplace. And the marketplace is where it's going to be happening, I reckon.
Yep,
That's
definitely. Where you'll find us, in the marketplace.
That's right. And you're going to have lots of specials and lots of different things happening.
Yep.
And what's your, do you have a main fabric that you do or something that's...
No, we've recently gone into Liberty of London.
Right, lovely.
So they are gorgeous fabrics.
Yes.
But we do a lot of Moda.
Yes,
Moda, RJR.
Right, yes.
Really good quality fabrics.
Yes, and lots of those different. So you've got a lot of ranges from brights to pastels to all sorts of things.
All over the place.
All over the place. So it's going to be fun to come and see Colleen down at the marketplace.
And we'll have our Shape Cut Plus and our curvy log cabin tool.
Yes.
And lots of panels.
Lots of panels and everything.
As well,
so wonderful. So there's lots for you to see at Colleen's Cobar Quilt Shop Marketplace. Yes, so at Quiltopia. So don't forget to come and see us. 3rd to 6th of October, we've got Quiltopia, Rose Hill Event Centre. Long weekend, girly weekend, let's do it.
That's it.
That's right. So don't forget to come and see us there. It is on there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell. Watch those little videos at the end here because that's where you'll see everyone that's going to be coming to, or most people that are coming to Quiltopia and being exhibitors. So thank you so much, Colleen, for being with us today doing this little update.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
That's okay. All right, guys, subscribe. Hit that channel. Watch those videos. Happy sewing.